Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, it's been another day of scattered downpours and storms out there, and that continues across the area this evening. Let's go ahead and take a closer look where we're still dealing with some flash flood warnings. This one goes until 8 o'clock for portions of Montgomery into Bath County. We have this one here for portions of Clark County until 9:15. And then this one for southern Montgomery County that goes until 9:30. It's because these storms have been trailing over the same areas, and we're continuing to see that this evening. You can still see some heavier rain just to the north of some of these warnings, and even some flashes of lightning continuing as well. Some heavier rain back towards Clintonville, and same story once we head over into Lexington, dealing with some steadier showers, especially on the northern side of town, just to the north of New Circle Road there. And then a spotty shower right over the Georgetown area right now as well. We have some heavy rain and some lightning north of over Lawrenceburg and north into portions of northern Anderson County here as well, and more storms just back off to the west. So this is going to continue for some of us as we go throughout the evening. Once the sun goes down and we go into the overnight, though, some of this will start to fizzle out. Still have a flood watch in effect for pretty much all of eastern Kentucky. That goes until 1 a.m. And again, continuing to monitor those flash flood warnings for portions of Clark, Montgomery, and back into Bath counties as well. The potential for flash flooding will continue as we go into the weekend. So stay weather aware over the next couple of days as, again, that threat continues. And it's all thanks to this front that's pretty much parked right across the Bluegrass State and right along the Ohio River here. It's acting as a conveyor belt for showers and storms, and that'll continue into Saturday and into Sunday as well. We've been on this rinse and repeat trend for the past several days, if not past couple of weeks here, and that's going to continue into the start of next week even as well. This is what we're tracking as the next big thing. Again, some scattered downpours and storms continue this evening. Overnight, though, they'll start to fizzle out, and we're left with partly to mostly cloudy skies. We do it all over again, especially tomorrow afternoon and evening. Heavy rounds of rain and storms a possibility, maybe even a stronger storm with some gusty winds. But that main threat is that flash flood risk. And then Saturday night, we start to dry out slightly, and early Sunday morning, it's the same. And then by Sunday afternoon and evening, we fire up more rounds of showers and thunderstorms. And guess what? We'll do it all over again on Monday as well. So we're just in this pattern that's going to continue right in through next week. I mentioned that potential for some strong storms tomorrow, mainly for our northernmost counties and back up into northern Kentucky. The bullseye for this is going to be portions of Ohio and back into Indiana as well. Again, maybe some gusty winds, but that main threat is going to be the threat for flash flooding. All of us are in a level 2 of 4 risk for flash flooding concerns as we go into Saturday and into Sunday as well. Outside right now, mostly cloudy skies as we look towards downtown. We had a downpour over here just a little bit ago, and now it's drying back out once again. 81 degrees, those winds out of the southwest at around 11 miles per hour. Those dew points still in the 70s. It's very humid out there. Tonight, 72 for an overnight low. Chance of storms and heavy rain again. It'll fade after midnight for most of us. 87 for an afternoon high tomorrow. Scattered storms and heavy rain possible once again for that flash flood. That flash flood threat will continue over the next couple of days. You'll see that here in the 7-day. Scattered storms this weekend, more storms on Monday, and then finally those rain chances start to decrease by the middle and end of next week. Notice though those temperatures climbing back up into the lower 90s. Stick around, we'll be back after this.